Previously on Onboard Lifestyle, Basic enjoyed the Coco Bandero Cays anchorage. In between the passing squalls, the cruise shuttled charged cell phones to a local Guariudup family on Isla Ardupta boat. We snuck a quick trip to a compass-sized island where we all basked in the unusually rare sun. We set sail east just a few miles to change up our scenery.
Off to our new anchorage.
And that's where we'll pick up our story, at anchor off Isla Dupwala in the stunning San Blas archipelago.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
Even though we're sitting in one of the most beautiful places on the planet, we still have responsibilities. So it's a beautiful day, but it's also going to be a maintenance day. First thing on the agenda is defrosting the refrigeration. Our Vitrifrigo, actually we've had for what, 8 years now? One thing I really paid attention to was adding as much insulation as I could around the refrigerator box. I made the walls 1.5 inches thick and inlaid a high density foam to bring that R value up as high as I could. I know that the box itself has insulation, but by adding extra insulation all the way around this, it's only gonna help keep that compressor from cycling on and off and using more power. So I did what I could.
So when my dad built the galley, he added so many cool features, but the best one is the microwave. Microwave up! See? Microwave down.
It's a long time.
For the most part, it's bulletproof. With the exception,
it still works great.
But what we don't really talk about is it's a front-loading refrigerator. When the humidity comes up, and it's been brutal humidity here, as you can see from the sweat all over us.
I don't know what you're talking about.
When you open the doors, the cold pours out, and the humidity goes in. And when that happens, it starts crystallizing in the freezer. When the freezer starts building up, the cool can't get down to the refrigerator. So what we do, here's our two refrigeration systems. Our lower one is a top load, and it works perfect. And how often do you defrost that one?
We've had that for, I feel like almost 2 years, and I've only defrosted once.
And how often do we defrost this one?
Since we've been in Panama, it has been averaging about 16 days.
Yeah. So what happens is we keep our freezers right around 0. This one's at -2 right now, which tells us that the compressor, everything's working great. But look at this, the refrigerator downstairs, 35. The refrigerator upstairs, 41. And this will continue to grow unless we take action. And that's what Lynn's gonna do right now.
Yeah, yay.
But you have this system down,
I've
don't
gotten
you?
it down pretty good, so it takes me about 20 to 30 minutes from start to finish. Everything gets loaded back in. But obviously I have to work fast, and it is early enough in the morning that by evening everything will get back to where it should be.
Okay, let's get going. Okay, that took exactly 19 minutes.
Yeah, now it's time to reload. And this is actually a good thing because I get to do an inventory of everything we have, what is bad, because you know it does. There's always something that has gone bad. And yeah, a good clean out. Always a good thing.
And look at, you're so fast. The frost didn't even come off yet.
You don't know that.
She's always in turbo mode when she does this.
I'm on a mission not to waste any food, so.
Well,
Also, the key is to make sure that there's not a lot of moisture that I put back into the fridge, so.
because look at this, it's 9:45 in the morning and it's already 87 degrees
Outside.
It's, yeah, in here. Okay, I'll just get out of your way. Elbows are flying. And she is finished. So the temperature is going to be high.
Yeah, it showed when I was defrosting, the
Okay.
high was 76 and 67 in the freezer. And now it's already dropped to 42, 66, so that's
A couple
pretty darn
hours, you'll
good.
be in good shape.
Hopefully, if we don't get into the fridge, that's the key too. So I'm
And look
gonna
at this.
save the ice here, and we just got some lobster.
Yeah, during
from
that whole
Laguna.
yeah, the Guna just pulled up here, sold us 3 lobsters. That sounds like dinner to me.
So I'm gonna just, instead of putting it in the refrigerator right now, I'm just gonna put it on ice. Maybe we'll have it for lunch or dinner or whichever. One of the main reasons why I like cleaning out the fridge is I can get an inventory of everything that's in there, also kind of figuring out what I need to use up. And one of those things I noticed was that I have a couple lemons left and they're ready to be used. So I've decided I have all the ingredients to do tiramisu. This is so easy, you guys. It is mascarpone, which I always have on board, 1 can of condensed milk. I have lemon zest. I juiced all the lemons, so that's ready. I always have ladyfingers on board, and obviously I have my homemade limoncello, which we're going to use to dip the ladyfingers in. If you want the recipe to the limoncello, I will probably post that in another video, but let's get started on this one because I know that we want to have this tonight and it's hot. Alright, so we are halfway through. Now I'm going to add in, this is about 3/4 cup of lemon juice, and I'm going to add it according to taste. I am going to still whip up some whipping cream and add this in. So you don't want it too tart, but you also don't want it too sweet. So it's a balance and also a taste. That, and I'll add in, as I like it, the lemon zest, how much you want in it. While the lemon mixture is chilling in the fridge, I'm going to whip up the whipping cream. You guys know that I love the shelf-stable whipping cream, and I just pop them in the fridge to really chill out, and then I whip it up. It's so simple, it's so easy, and it's so handy to have on board. Time to put in the mixture, lemon mixture into the whipping cream, and I will do it in thirds. It was a little sweet, not enough tart, so I'm going to add a little bit more. I think this is perfect. I personally like it a little bit more on the tart side, so you just have to play with how you like it, whether it's sweeter or more tart. This is, I think, a good happy medium. I'm going to actually hold in a little bit of the zest, and then I'm going to put this in the fridge for just about 10-15 minutes to let it firm up a little bit before I put the entire dish together. Fridge is getting cooler. You guys saw before what it was at. It is now at 49 degrees. So it's not as cold as I would like just yet, but it has only been an hour. Okay, everything is nice and chilled. So this is the easy part. Just do a quick dip of the limoncello and then start layering the yummy mascarpone goodness. Is it. Now the hard part is leaving it in the fridge and letting it chill out so that we can eat it later tonight. But it is so simple, it's so pretty, and it is really good.
So, this will be fun.
This will be nice. We're going on a little excursion of our own.
That's right. Emma's been just buried in schoolwork. She's got a couple of tests. We want to give her a little privacy so she could just kind of hunker down and get beyond this. So we're going to go have a date on the beach on our own private island.
Yeah. My own private island. It sounds so nice.
Yes, it does.
I know, but now you got to start the car.
Okay.
It is so hot.
And we're in between rain squalls. The sun is trying to peek out. It actually feels a lot better now that it's got a little cloud cover. It was a nice sweaty day already, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, what do you think of this place?
It's our own island. What do you think, I think?
Oh, am I thinking what you're thinking?
No.
Oh. Okay.
No, we're just gonna go check it out and then maybe figure out where we want to have our picnic and just kind of relax a little bit.
I know, this is nice.
I mean,
Okay, let's just walk around. Let's see what
I don't think that this is...
Not much of a beach on this side, but it's sure pretty. And success. What'd I say? and success. Okay, you ready for your romantic picnic?
Ooh,
Huh?
fancy. Look at you. Popping a little bubbly.
Well, yeah. How do you not? I mean, how are we supposed to have a romantic beach day?
Obviously, you're a little out of practice.
Oh, I was thinking it was gonna pop. Okay, sorry.
Wow. Pick up the speed!
Thanks for watching the latest episode of Onboard Lifestyle. A big thanks goes out to our amazing patrons, whose generous support fuels the production of our videos. Join our crew if you can. So far, our time in the San Blas Islands has been memorable.
Careful.
Beautiful scenery, wild weather, delicious food, and of course the kind-hearted Unigala community. Everyone we've met so far has been honest, kind, and hardworking. Come back next week as that whole mindset changes. See you then!